This is a short story by Magic Writer, called A New Day, read at 33 words per minute. Get ready to write. Let's go. Mrs. Pringle let out a groan as she lowered herself into the armchair by the window. She picked up the remote and pressed the button. The curtains slid back automatically to reveal the new day. She took a sip from her morning cup of tea, savoring that first mouthful. Nothing could beat a cup of tea. This first hour before her carer arrived was bliss. She relaxed and drank her tea, watching cars and people pass by her window as her neighbors went about their morning routine. No one entered or left Ashtray Court without Mrs. Pringle noticing. All too soon, the doorbell rang. Mrs. Pringle heaved herself out of the chair to answer it. Sue, her carer, was as bubbly as always and chivied Mrs. Pringle into doing her hip exercises. For now, the piece had ended. That is the end of the story. It is important to make sure you can read back what you have written, so check it against the text on the screen to see how you did.